Most people get this wrong. They see screenshots online claiming huge Bingo Cash payouts and immediately assume the app is either a gold mine or a scam. Here's the truth no one tells you. Payment proof alone does not tell the full story. In this video, you'll learn what Bingo Cash payment proof actually means in 2026, how payouts work, what to watch out for, and whether real users can actually receive money from the app. Let's get straight into it. The short answer is yes. Many users report receiving payouts from Bingo Cash after meeting the app's requirements and successfully withdrawing eligible winnings. That's why you can find payment screenshots, withdrawal confirmations, and user reviews showing completed payouts. But here's the problem. A payment screenshot does not automatically mean everyone will earn money. This is where most people fail. They confuse receiving a payment with making a profit. For example, let's say Alex deposits money into tournament games. He wins several matches and later withdraws some cash. The payment proof is real. However, what matters is whether Alex withdrew more money than he originally spent. That's a very different question. Now here's where it gets interesting. Bingo Cash is a skill-based game platform. Earnings depend on performance, competition level, entry fees, and available tournaments. Some players withdraw money. Others lose money during paid competitions. If you're looking at payment proof in 2026, focus on three things. First, check whether the payout appears to come from a completed withdrawal rather than a promotional bonus. Second, look for consistency. One successful withdrawal is useful, but multiple verified withdrawals over time provide a better picture. Third, understand the difference between bonus cash and withdrawable cash. In many gaming apps, bonus funds often come with restrictions and may not be directly withdrawable. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to verify payment claims yourself. Start by reading recent user reviews. Look for comments discussing successful withdrawals, payout speed, and customer support experiences. Then compare those experiences with the app's current withdrawal rules and terms. But here's another important point. Even if payment proof is legitimate, that does not guarantee you'll earn money. Success depends on skill, competition, and responsible gameplay. Anyone promising guaranteed profits is oversimplifying how these platforms work. The smartest approach is simple. Treat Bingo Cash as a competitive gaming app first and a potential earning opportunity second. That mindset helps set realistic expectations and avoids disappointment. So what's the final verdict? Based on available user reports and payment evidence, Bingo Cash appears capable of processing legitimate withdrawals for eligible users. However, payment proof should be viewed as confirmation that payouts can happen, not proof that everyone will make money. Now you know what to look for, what to avoid, and how to evaluate payment claims more intelligently. If this video helped you, leave a comment with your experience, hit the like button, and subscribe for more honest app reviews, payment proof breakdowns, and earning app guides. Thanks for watching.